Hello, guys. And to be honest, obviously, I'm not going to introduce, something amazingly new, but I think I have not seen this sort of approach to looking at the ADX yet, okay, which I found pretty cool, okay. Now, we all seen this probably, where you get the ADX plotted together with DI plus and DI minus, okay. If you want to get more information what that DI plus and DI minus does and how it was made, I have a whole course about this. And basically, I built this indicator from scratch inside the course on hybrid systems, which can be found in the courses section. But here, you can just get the final version of the indicator. And we all know this, which is pretty much very, very similar to what NinjaTrader has, yeah, as DM indicator, okay, and actually produces the same values. But I have not really seen this, which is also a part. We can switch the view of the ADX Suite to true values or to index values. So below, we see the index values, okay, and we can see the variety, okay, of values that we actually get everything that's included inside the calculation of the ADX, okay, which is DM plus, DM minus over a period of 2 bars, all right? True range over a period of 2 bars, period true range, period DM plus, DM minus, DIs, okay, DX and ADX, okay? All of that is used to calculate the final ADX, this blue line here, okay? But what I like the most about the indicator is actually this chart here, which is where the blue is actually the true range, okay, over the 2 bars. Okay, so for example, here we see that this is the true range, and this is the DM minus in this case, because the DM minus in this case is the one which is the directional, shows us the direction. So in this case, this green, because it's a DM plus over the 2 bars, okay? And so, for example, if you ever get like a blue bar, which has this bar is considered to have no direction, okay? Because this is actually an inside bar, okay? Now, the lines here represent these red and green values calculated over a period, okay? And they are quite similar to the DI if you look below, okay? In fact, they're very similar, all right? Except that obviously DI is an index, okay, where we take the DM and divide it by the true range over the period, okay? So overall, this to me it looks really interesting, okay, and I think by looking at it, you can actually see the cool edge that you might get, okay, and I'll leave it up to you to explore this and see if it really works out, okay. So thank you and take care.